Hi everyone, welcome to my channel once again. So today is 4th and we are getting off from the ship. We'll be staying in Singapore for 2 days. Our flight is on 5th. I'll be showing some of the bits of Singapore, some places to visit. So stay in my channel and do subscribe my channel, the Thetraveloholicsailor. So let's go. Guys, now we are at our hotel. The hotel which we are staying for 2 days, and our flight will be on 5th evening. And planning to go for a night safari, and it will start around 6 o'clock. And right now it is 5, so it will take half an hour to reach there. So as we go there, I'll show you more about the night safari. So stay tuned and be on this video. So let's go. We are right now in a Quay. It's one of the famous street here in the Singapore, and you will find many restaurants and many places like pubs, restaurant to have. If you want to have some little chill time, then you can come here. It's very clean and very beautiful. Let me show you the Quay. We are now at night safari in Singapore, and the timing for this night safari is from evening 18:30 till 12 o'clock. So it's a nice place to come here, and if you want to come here from the city, you can just hire a cab. We'll charge you around some 30-40 Singapore dollars. So we are now just now we are purchasing the tickets. This is the counter here, and from here we'll go for the safari. this is a nice shop here to purchase souvenirs. You get many souvenirs here. So I'm going to buy one for my home. Nice small toys, stuffing toys you will get here. Fridge magnets and all. We are in the queue for the tram ride. I will take one tram here and we'll go for the safari. I'll show you. So this is a long queue, and just forward you can see this tram, road tram. So we'll just board this tram and we'll go for the safari. But the queue is very long, so we need to wait here for maybe 10-15 minutes. You can see a long queue here. But the thing is, the system here is very good. Like every 1 minute you are getting one tram here. So nice place. Just look at the queue. How many people are waiting for this tram? And this tram we are going to board for the safari.
Hi, how many?
So we are now in the tram, and this tram will take us for the wildlife safari. So let's go. I'll show you when this tram will take us inside. Good morning everyone, good morning from Singapore. So today's plan is we are going to Sentosa Island. We have just finished our breakfast in our hotel and now we are planning to go to Sentosa. It will take around 30 minutes, and Sentosa is open from 10:30 morning, 10:30. So we'll take a cab from here and we'll go to the Sentosa. So in Sentosa we are planning to go to Universal Studio and aquarium. There's one underwater aquarium. So let's go. We are in the Sentosa Island right now, and we are going to the Universal Studio. So we are right now in Universal Studio, and this is the famous globe logo of the Universal Studio. So guys, we are going to SEA Aquarium. Right now the Universal Studio is closed, and it will open after some time, I think. So we'll first explore this SEA Aquarium, then I'll take you to the Universal Studio. So keep watching my video and do subscribe my channel, Thetraveloholicsailor. Friends, we are now in SEA Aquarium. Very beautiful and what can I say? Memorizing view. I'll show you. Very awesome place. You have to visit. If you are coming to Singapore, then don't miss this. Biggest tank in this aquarium. Look at the size. Just look at the size of the tank. So awesome. It's worth paying $40. Just look at the size.